power of creativity is enormous. And we are ignoring creativity not in a technical way, but in a social way, always.
We are working since 1970 with Soziokratie. But one thing, Soziokratie will never disappear at Endenburg Electronics. Never. Because it's the best system you can have. Also my clients, they are convinced that this is the method they want because we have better motivated people. They know that we want to listen to them and that they are not a number or something.
You will be much stronger. It's much more fun, and you don't get burnt out because you're not the only one who have a responsibility.
It helped solve a problem for me, which was I didn't want to be the sole decision maker anymore. So maybe your boss is feeling like that and you just don't know it.
I'm in the clinical circle, and it does make for a better meeting, a more workable meeting. You get in, you say what you have to say, and you can go back and be at your desk and get your job done.
This is an effective way to organize and run a company. I've been in business for 30 years and I haven't run across a better way. I don't care how much furniture you have or what fleet of planes you have or anything else. Your staff is your greatest asset, and if you're not listening to them, you're doing the business a huge disservice. So I'd say get DSG and read about Soziokratie and just think about the changes that you can make in your own organization.
There's lots of really subtle things, different aspects that overall make for better leadership, more effective, more fun places to work.
How many meetings do you have right now? I promise you, your meetings will be declined with 30–50%. So, and if not, then we stop the process.
That's the way our organizations were meant to be. That they're meant to serve people. They're meant to extend us and extend our humanity, not to shrink it.
Once you start to incorporate it into your company, into your organization, you will see the power that GSG can provide.
This last General Circle meeting we had just this week, I was, usually I'm the only one putting forth agenda items, bringing things like that up. This last one, I only had one agenda item. I think there were 8 items on the agenda. I only contributed to 1. So the rest of the staff brought items that they wanted to discuss. And they were policy items. They weren't operational. So now they get it.
That's what you need to be successful in the market. Just try it and see what happens. And don't be afraid, because you will get much more back than what you ever thought you would get back.
Are we killing this earth? I don't know. Perhaps, perhaps not. But we can bring in our creativity and we can solve all kinds of problems. There's not a problem we cannot solve.